Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming essentials. You are signed in and your current save is stable. Open Settings, navigate to Data, and jump straight to backup slots. Once there, scan for empty slots and check timestamps on existing saves so you know what you're overriding. Tap an empty slot, type a clear name, and press Save. This creates your first backup. You do this now to avoid losing progress later, and it establishes a restore point you can rely on if anything goes wrong. Once done with the first slot, make incremental backups across 2 to 3 slots so you have rollback options. You should name each slot with a purpose and date. This prevents confusion when restoring. If the export feature exists, use it to download a GL2 save file to your device for off-game security. Make sure to keep one slot as a clean base copy and another for experimental edits. This way, you can compare versions and restore the precise state you need without guessing which save. You finish by restoring or verifying a slot. Open backup slots, select the desired backup and press load, confirm the overwrite and check your characters. If the load fails, don't panic. First try importing an exported GL2 save, then restart the app. If issues persist, reinstall the game and re-import the file you exported earlier. Make sure to always keep one exported copy off device. That single extra precaution solves most problems when in-game backups glitch or updates change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.